I swear to God, do what? Get the fuck off me! Get the fuck off me! Get the fuck off me now! Get out of my fucking car! Get out! Get out of my fucking car! Get out! Get the fuck out! Get out of my fucking car!
I'm gonna choke you out.
Get the fuck out!
It was on her birthday.
I was tight already, and then when I was walking back to the car, I couldn't find it. I was like, where the fuck did we park, son? I was like, yo, I know. When you got in the Uber, were you buy it? Yeah, I had the Uber take me back to where we came from.
Is it there?
Yeah, 258.
Okay, dope.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's not me, bro. I'm playing, bro.
Seriously? Get the fuck out.
Yo, wash your fucking mouth.
Okay, well,
Wash your
look,
fucking mouth.
I have no
Wash your
problem.
mouth.
Look at me.
Yo, wash your
I have
mouth,
no
son.
problem with you, but I'm trying to do a job
I
just
don't
like
give a fuck,
everybody
nigga. You gonna
else.
wash your fucking mouth. You gonna watch how
Okay.
you talk to me, son.
Can you please
On my
get
mother,
out of
son,
my
you
car?
gonna watch how the fuck you talking to me.
Okay.
On my mother.
Can you please get out of my car?
You gonna watch how you fucking talk to me. What's up?
Dude!
What's up with you, nigga? So what you trying to do?
All I'm asking you to do is
So what
to
you
please
trying to
get
do?
out of my
Don't
car.
talk to me crazy, nigga. What's up? What's up?
Dude!
Get the fuck off my
I'm trying to get out of here. Can you please get out of my
Run your
car right
fucking
now?
pockets. Everything you got, nigga. Everything
I don't
you
have
got,
anything
nigga.
in my
Everything
pockets.
you fucking got, I'll blow your fucking brain out.
Yo!
Get the fuck off my
Get out of my car right now!
Yo.
Get out of my car! Dude!